I welcome you all to this class. Today, let us continue Unit 2, Assignment 1. 1 and 2 we have done in the previous class. So let us do 3. Come back at 7 o'clock. Underline at 7 o'clock. Write the when it is 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. When it is 7 o'clock. 4. On being punished, he cried. Underline on being punished. We begin the answer. He cried when he was punished. He cried when he was punished. 5. Do you consider him trustworthy? Underline him trustworthy. Write there that he is trustworthy. So the answer is, do you consider that he is trustworthy? 6. He has promised to help you. Underline to help you. Change that he will help you. That he will help you. 7. He worked hard to pass the examination. Underline to pass the examination. Change so that he might pass the examination. So that he might pass the examination. Number 8. Their explanation cannot be true. Underline their explanation. So write there what they explained. What they explained cannot be true. Now we convert complex to simple. Remember, in order to convert complex to simple, we change a noun clause, adjective clause, or an adverb clause. To get the example, tell me where you live. Where you live is a clause, so we just make it short, your address. So tell me your address. Second, that you should be present is essential. That you should be present is a clause, so we make short, your presence is essential. Adjective. Time which is once lost is lost forever. Which is once lost is a clause, so we make it brief, once lost. So time once lost. Second, I have no advice that I can offer you. That I can offer you is a clause, make it brief, to offer you. Again, adverb clause, when he had finished his work. Clause, having finished his work. If I make a promise, I will keep it. I will keep it is again a clause, to keep it, or only to keep it. So, assignment, change the complex to simple. Number 1, tell me where you go. Underline where you go is a clause, make it brief, your destination. DESTINATION. So tell me your destination. Second, the law will punish those who are guilty. Underline those who are guilty, make it brief, the guilty. The law will punish the guilty. 3. Tell me what she meant by this. Underline what she meant by this. Meaning of her statement. Meaning of her statement. So tell me the meaning of her statement. 4. I do not know when I shall come back. Underline when I shall come back. Brief the time of my return. The time of my return. So I do not know the time of my return. 5. That is the pen that belongs to me. Underline that belongs to me. Very short. That is my pen. 6. A palace that is built on a hill cannot be hidden. Underline that is built on a hill. Make it brief. Built on a hill. A palace built on a hill cannot be hidden. 7. This is the place where we study. Underline the place where we study. Make brief. Our place of study. Our place of study. 8. He was happy when he heard the news. He was when he heard the news. Underline on hearing the news. When he heard the news, close. So we make it short. On hearing the news, he became happy. Now we convert compound into complex. Again, compound into complex. Change one coordinate clause to a subordinate clause. Coordinate means independent. Subordinate means depending. He is industrious, but he is dull. Underline but. That we change it into though he is dull. Again, act on my advice. Change. If you do not act on. If you do not act on. Now change the compound into complex. Number 1. Ask no questions and you will hear no lies. Underline and. We remove and we begin. If you ask no questions. If you ask no questions, comma, you will hear no lies. Second, he stands up to speak and everyone is at once silent. Underline and. Again, we use as soon as. As soon as he stands up to speak, comma, everyone is at once silent. Please go through 3, 4, 5, 6 and then assignment 4.2. Please go through. In the next class, we will discuss it. Till then, good day.